Okay, so suppose we have a question where it is said that the product, let me write the question, the product of two numbers is 357. It's a big number, 357, say 435. One of them is given to you. One of them is 705. Now the question is, what is the other number? What is the other number? How do we solve this problem? See carefully. It is said product of two numbers is 357435, of which one is 705. That means I have a number and I multiply with 705, and the product of these two numbers will give me 357435. Now in that case, when we have an unknown here, that implies this unknown number, which I have to find out, will be equal to what we have in the other side, and that means in the right hand side of the equal to sign, 357435 divided by this 705 will come down. It is like this way, come in the denominator of the other side of the equal to sign, that means here. From this position it came to here. That means it was in a numerator position and it came this way, right? Okay, so now I have 357435 in the numerator and 705 in the denominator. Now while dividing this kind of problems, we don't divide it in the long division method. Instead we just keep on dividing the numerator and denominator with the same number with which they are divisible. Now see that both the number ends with 5. That means both the numbers will be divisible by 5 for sure. Let me divide 705 by 5. That is 5 ones are 5. I have 3 remainder and 0 beside, that is 30. So 5 6 are 30 and I have 5 left. So that means 5 ones are 5. Above, what do I get? If I divide 357435 divided by 5 will be 3 5. So 5 7s are 35 first. Then I have 7. So 5 1s are 5. I have 2 as remainder. So 2 4. I get 5 4s are 20. I have 4 left and 3 comes up, so 43. Then 5 8s are 40. Then 3 remainder, 5 comes down, that means 35. That means 5 7s are 35. See 161, and here I have 71487. Now these kind of odd numbers, these two numbers ends with odd numbers. That means they won't be divisible by 5 or any even numbers. Neither 2, 4, 6, not that way. So what do I do? Let me check with 3 ones. If I divide 161 by 3, how much does that come? 3 5s are 15. 1 comes down when I subtract, and I have 1 left, that means 11, and 11 is not divisible by 3. So that means 161 is a prime number, it is not divisible by any other number. So I have to check whether 71487 is directly divisible by 161 or not. So 161, let me multiply with some bigger number, say 7. How much does that come? 7 ones are 7, 7 6 are 42, I have 4 left, 7 ones are 7, 8 9 10 11, 1 1 2 7. Or wait, let me divide it here. Let me divide 71487 by 705. How much will that come? Let me see. See, 705, if I take the first 3 digit at first, that means 714. So 705 ones are 705, because if I multiply it with 2, that will be greater than 714. So let me take 705 at first. I subtract and I get 5, after that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 minus 5 gives me 9. And see, if I add this 1 in this place, that means 1 minus 1, 0, and then 7 minus 7 also 0. Then 8 comes down and I have 98, but 98 is less than 705, so I need to bring down 7 also, but I can only bring down 7 if I put a 0 in this place and put a 0 in this place. What does that mean is, if I subtract 7148 7050 from 7148, that means if I subtract these two, I'll get 98 as remainder. After that I can bring down 7 beside. So now I have 987. See, 705 into 2, it will be a bigger number. 705 into 2, that will be 5 2s are 10 and 7 2s are 14, which is higher than 987. So again 705 ones are 705, and I subtract, that is 7 minus 5 is 6 7 2, 8 minus 0 is 8, 9 minus 7 will be 8 9, that means 2. So 282 remains as remainder. And what was my question? That what is the number which, if I multiply with 705, I'll get 357435. So the number will be, so this unknown number, let me use another color. How much did we get? We have got 280 as remainder, but what's the quotient? 101. I'll get back here. I have got the unknown number as 101 whole, and I have got remainder as 282. Out of how much? 705, and we could not reduce it further, so then my answer will remain here. Whatever I have got as quotient, will come in this position, and rest, the remainder divided by the dividend. So that is the unknown number, or this is the other number which is multiplied with 705 to get 357435. This is the answer.